AI is transforming filmmaking by slashing costs, boosting speed and efficiency, enhancing creative flexibility, and making the process more accessible to everyone. Kling AI, a text and image-to-video generator from China, isn't available to the broad public yet, but we are excited to demonstrate what it can do. In this video, we used images created in MidJourney and turned them into videos using Kling AI. The results are stunning.
For example, let's generate image. Pirates of the Caribbean film series. Let's transform MidJourney Images into dynamic movie using the following prompt.
Dramatic lighting casting shadows on the ships, storm clouds gathering in the distance, sailors looking anxious, preparing for a potential threat, the atmosphere tense and foreboding, dark waves crashing against the ships, pirates laughing heartily on the deck, wooden chests overflowing with silver coins, the sea in the background, flags fluttering, joyful camaraderie, glint of treasure in the dim light, the atmosphere vibrant and jubilant.
Kling AI's text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities could revolutionize Hollywood-style movie creation. Traditional filmmaking involves pricey cameras, lighting gear, and other equipment. AI-based video tools can cut these costs significantly by generating high-quality visuals without the need for physical cameras. AI can handle many production tasks, reducing the need for large crews. This includes jobs in visual effects, animation, and even some aspects of directing and cinematography. AI can speed up production by creating scenes and effects much faster than traditional methods. Tools like Kling AI can automate editing, special effects, and color grading, making post-production quicker and more efficient. AI can generate visual content from text descriptions or images, allowing for rapid prototyping and visualization of scenes before filming begins. These tools offer a lot of customization, letting creators experiment with different styles, effects, and narratives without piling on extra costs. These technologies make it easier for aspiring filmmakers who might not have access to expensive equipment and big budgets to create movies. Independent filmmakers can produce high-quality content that competes with major studios, leading to greater diversity and innovation in the industry. Hollywood's apprehension towards AI technologies like AI text-to-video and image-to-video encompasses several key concerns. First, there's the potential for significant job displacement. Roles traditionally held by humans, such as camera operators, editors, visual effects artists, and even actors, could be automated, leading to job losses and pushback from industry unions. Second, there are worries about maintaining artistic integrity and creativity. AI-generated content might lack the emotional depth and nuance of human-created work. An over-reliance on AI could lead to homogenized, formulaic movies. Ethical and legal issues also loom large, with deepfakes raising concerns about consent and privacy, and complications around intellectual property rights for AI-generated content. Economically, the traditional structure of Hollywood, built on expensive productions and a complex ecosystem of studios and service providers, could be disrupted, potentially destabilizing the industry. Additionally, there's resistance to change from industry veterans, the learning curve associated with new technologies, and the challenge of building audience trust in AI-generated movies. Despite these concerns, AI can be a powerful tool to enhance storytelling, reduce production costs, and push creative boundaries, but it requires a thoughtful and strategic approach to balance innovation with ethical considerations and quality standards. Hollywood spends up to $20 billion annually on movie production. However, in our view, if film production is replaced by AI, the money could be spent on other important things. In our view, the true heroes in life are scientists who make discoveries in labs, improve the lives of societies, and advance human progress. The employment landscape for postdocs is tough, with many facing prolonged periods of job searching after their postdoctoral appointments. While precise unemployment figures for postdocs are not readily available, the highly competitive nature of academia suggests that a substantial proportion of postdocs struggle to secure faculty positions immediately after their postdoctoral training. Given Hollywood's annual expenditure of tens of billions of dollars on movies, if redirected, it could potentially fund up to 250,000 postdoc positions or up to 150,000 faculty positions annually. This comparison illustrates the significant investment that could be made into academic careers with the funds currently used for movie production.
The integration of artificial intelligence AI into filmmaking is rapidly transforming the industry. AI technologies are now being used in various stages of film production, from script writing and pre-production to editing and post-production. This development raises both exciting opportunities and significant challenges for the future of cinema. In recent years, AI has begun to influence how movies are conceptualized, produced, and consumed. Major studios and independent filmmakers alike are exploring AI's potential to streamline workflows, reduce costs, and push creative boundaries. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from existing movies and scripts to generate new storylines, dialogue, and characters. Tools like ScriptBook and Deep Story use machine learning to predict the success of a screenplay and suggest improvements. These AI systems can help writers overcome writer's block and provide fresh ideas, but there are concerns about originality and the human touch in storytelling. AI can analyze narrative structures, character arcs, and even audience reactions to suggest story elements that are more likely to resonate with viewers. For example, AI can detect common tropes and suggest unique twists to avoid clichés, potentially leading to more innovative storytelling. In pre-production, AI can streamline processes such as casting, location, scouting, and budgeting. AI-driven casting platforms can analyze an actor's past performances and audience reception to recommend the best fit for a role. Additionally, AI tools can predict the costs and logistical challenges of filming in various locations, helping producers make informed decisions. AI can also assist in generating detailed shooting schedules, optimizing resources and time management. By simulating different production scenarios, AI can identify potential bottlenecks and suggest efficient solutions, ultimately saving time and money during the pre-production phase. During production, AI technologies are being used to enhance visual effects, automate camera movements, and even create virtual actors. Companies like Synthesia and Digital Domain are developing AI-generated digital humans that can perform on screen. This could reduce the need for stunt doubles and allow for more complex and imaginative scenes. AI-powered cameras can automatically adjust settings for optimal lighting and framing, enabling directors to focus more on creative aspects. Additionally, AI-driven real-time motion capture and rendering can significantly speed up the production of visually demanding scenes, providing filmmakers with more flexibility and creative freedom. AI is revolutionizing post-production with tools that automate editing, color correction, and sound design. For example, Adobe's Sensei AI and Blackmagic Design's DaVinci Resolve use AI to assist editors in finding the best takes, adjusting color balance, and creating seamless transitions. AI can also be used to generate special effects and CGI, making post-production faster and more cost-effective. AI-driven audio tools can enhance soundtracks by identifying and removing background noise, adjusting audio levels, and even generating sound effects. These advancements not only improve the quality of the final product, but also reduce the time and effort required in post-production processes. Several films and projects have already experimented with AI technologies. Sunspring, a short film written entirely by an AI, demonstrated the potential and limitations of AI in script writing. Another example is The Lion King, 2019, which used AI-driven visual effects to create realistic animal characters. These case studies highlight both the promise and the challenges of integrating AI into filmmaking. Zone Out, a film edited by an AI named Smith, showcased how AI can handle complex editing tasks, although it also highlighted areas where human intuition and creativity are still essential. These examples illustrate that while AI can enhance certain aspects of filmmaking, it cannot fully replace the unique contributions of human creators. Looking ahead, the future of AI in filmmaking is both exciting and uncertain. As AI technologies continue to evolve, they will likely become more sophisticated and capable of producing high-quality films. However, it is essential to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving the human elements that make cinema a unique and powerful art form. Collaboration between AI and human creativity could lead to innovative and groundbreaking films that push the boundaries of storytelling. Future advancements may include AI-driven tools that can generate entire virtual environments, allowing filmmakers to create immersive worlds with unprecedented detail and realism. AI has the potential to revolutionize the film industry by enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling new forms of creativity. However, it is crucial to address the ethical and creative concerns associated with AI-generated content.